Hello student, good morning to all of you. Welcome to online class. Student, now I am going to start a new chapter, Internet. I think all the students know about Internet. Nowadays it is very popular. So before discuss about the Internet, you know about net? Like mosquito net. How net made? Million thread they join together, clear, and make a net, like fishing net. How we make fishing net? Many thread they join together, clear. Similar the internet. Internet, better known as a net, is a computer network. Means we need computer. It is a network that connects millions of computers through cable, phone line, or cable modem, etc. Clear? It is a huge source of information on endless topic. You know, student, nowadays, if you have the internet service, everything is possible. Endless topic. Clear? It share its information with anybody living anywhere in the world. It is perhaps the most outstanding innovation in the field of communication. In the history of mankind, Internet is a public, cooperative and independent facilities assembled to millions of people all around the globe. Is it true? Because you know, if you read the history, in the ancient time, if we want to discuss, if we want to talk to other person, it is very difficult. In the ancient history, you see how the people send the message. They use the animals, they use the pigeon. The pigeon take one paper and after that it transfer to the other. But nowadays it is very easy. If you want to communicate any person, if you want to any service, everything available on the internet. Clear? So nowadays without internet, our life are incomplete. Like electricity is the make our life very easily and comfortable. Similarly, internet is also a very important part of our life. Clear? So after the introduction, what is the use of internet? See, so the uses of internet, say like communication, information, entertainment, services and e-commerce. These are the some uses of internet. So first we discuss about the communication. Student, I told that in the ancient time, if you want to communicate any person, it is very difficult. If you want to send any message to any person, it is very difficult. If you not go 100 years, just go back 20 years back or 25 years back, how we send message? By the letter. Okay, post office, postcard. After that we write anything what you want to say to your other person. After that we submit in the post box. After that, after 20 days, 25 days, 1 month, it reaches to the other person. Clear? In the one village, very few number of houses, and we get information all about the person. Clear? If in the one village about the 50 house, then very easy to person. Everything all level. Yes or no? In the city is not possible, but in the village it is possible. But nowadays, with the help of internet, whole globe is like a village. If you want to information any topic in any part, it is very easy. Clear? So now we can communicate with the people using facilities of email through which we can chat for hours with our dear one at a very low cost. Nowadays it is very easy. Per day we get 1.5 GB or 2 GB or 3 GB according to your requirement. So with the help of email, we send any message to our dears, and after that we get message from the other side. So very easily we chat together with the hours. Clear? Thus, with the help of such a service, it has become very easy for to stabilize a kind of global friendship. You know, student, when we make any video, and when we send in any post like in Instagram, Facebook, we get many followers. Yes or no? We don't know about the person. We don't know about person who is this, but we make the friendship. Clear na? When we send any message, any video, then we say, na, yes, I have the 1 followers, 2 followers, 100 lakhs followers. Yes or no? So it make a online friendship. Clear? And not in our state, whole world, anywhere, any country, any cities, it is very easy to make friendship. Next, information. This is perhaps the most important advantage of the internet. There is a huge amount of information available on the internet in any field. Not only in the education, any field, in the medical, education, agriculture, anywhere, we get many information. Clear? You will find information on almost every subject, like in governmental laws and other trade fairs, conference, market information, innovation, etc. If you don't know any law, just to search in the internet, we get the GO of the government, what is the rule. Like other trade fair, in the ancient time, if any person want to purchase any material, so they need to went to the particular place. But nowadays very easy, just we make the online order. Clear na? Like, and you see some available, something available like Flipkart, Amazon, many online shopping also, no? If you want to purchase, just to search in the Flipkart, Amazon, what you want? If you want to purchase, just order, and after few days, it available on your house. Clear? Conference, you know, student, like a video conference. The people who are sitting in the different places in the world or in the country, if you want to talk face to face, it's very easy by the video conference. Market information. If you want to cost of any material in other places, just to search. Clear? So we get the whole rate, means what is the rate nowadays of the particular material. You see, like when you go to the goldsmith shop, per day, you see there the cost of gold are increases or decreases. Yes or no? In the morning time, when shop will open, then the new rate mentioned in the internet. Clear? Similarly, like in the Sensex share market, we see per day we get the information. What is the cost of share? What is the cost of the share? So the list of the endless students and children gather information through net surfing. By the internet, we easily get any information. If you don't know any topic, so we search the internet. So we get the many videos, many topic, many PDF also, and we get easily from the net. Yes or no? Similarly, the teachers also have started giving the assignment that require research on the internet. You see, what we make the video? How is it possible? Due to the internet. So by internet, we send the video. So see, if you want to talk, if you want to discuss to any other person, if you don't know any points, just you search. So in the particular topic, we get the videos, PDF, many things. Yes or no? And if you don't know any assignment, then what we doing? Tell. In the summer vacation, we get assignment. How we complete it? By the internet. We search we put the topic, write the topic in the internet, and we get the many information. How much you want? Clear? Many big universities and the educational institutions are using internet to carry out their educational activities. Yes or no? You see, clear? Like I see nowadays some universities also, like IGNOU. You know, in the Gandhi National Open Universities, IIT, Indian Institute of Technology, NIIT, National Institute of Information Technology. So these are the some online university who provide everything, every material online. Clear? Next is the entertainment. Entertainment is the other reason why many people prefer surfing on net. While surfing the web, where there are numerous things that can be found, such as the music, song, movies, hobbies, news, and many other information. They are gathered and shared through the internet. If you want to see any movie, just you type. Many apps also there, so we get the movie. If you want to listen any song, just type the some word of song. We get the song. The song. If you want to play any game, it also available. Means what you want. You want music. If you don't know dancing, so just you mention how we dance. We get many steps by the different teachers. Clear? So by the help of such entertainment are very easy. No need to go to a cinema hall. No need we get in the internet. Services. Services you can available many services such as online banking, job seeking, purchasing, tickets, hotel, reservation, paying your electricity bill and other bill. Clear? If you want to see student, if you want any rail booking, very easy. No need to go to the counter. In your mobile, just to book the railway ticket, any hotel reservation, anything we do in the mobile. You see, nowadays we no need to go to the bank. Everything available in the mobile. Phone Pay, many apps is there. Phone Pay, we send any money to the other person. No need to go to the bank. That's I see in the bank. No any service. Very few people, when they need some paperwork, they go to the bank. Otherwise, they sitting in the house and they everything doing by the online. E-commerce, any kind of commercial business, any kind of shopping, selling, purchasing, etc., can easily be available through internet. Online shopping, you know? We using many apps, the Flipkart, Amazon, many app is there. With the help of we get any material. If you want to purchase any material from Flipkart, just if you don't know the cost, first you see in the market. If the market cost the high, just you see in the Flipkart online shopping. If their rate are less, just you purchase from the online. Clear? Means no need to go to the market. Everything available in your house. Clear? So student, these are the some point is very important in our life. So how can you hook up the internet? Student, internet is an important aspect of communication. So it is important to know how it works. If you want to use internet, so first is the some step. First you need some step. As you have read earlier, in the internet is a network connecting millions of computers around the world. Many people, many mobiles, laptop, palm top, computer, it are connected together. How? By the internet. So for internet facility, you require a computer that has a Pentium second or higher processor, modem, telephone line, and ISP. ISP means Internet Service Provider. Modem in your doorway, the internet that connect your computer to the telephone line. So it is should be of good use. After that, some special software like the Internet Explorer and the Netscape Navigator should use for internet surfing. So use for nowadays we can have internet connection without telephone line, etc. We have the mobile now. We no need to need a telephone. We need no need to use a computer. We no need to cable. Only by the web we get everything. Understand? So these are some point is very important in internet. After that, see, services available on internet means what is the service available. So see, some services like electronic mail we already discussed, chatting, news group, video conferences, file transfer, protocol, and telnet. So see, student, what is the electronic mail? This is popularly known as the email, and it is the most popular service on the internet. Email has become a very important means of communication for people, both personal and business, because email is very secure Okay, by the Facebook, by the WhatsApp, by the Instagram, every person seen. But if you want to send any message to any particular person, so very secure. Email is economical, fast, and the most reliable method of sending and receiving message. Means such email only get by the particular person, particular mobile, particular number. Means other person, if you don't know the other person email ID, we not able to open their email. Clear? So email has negated the wastage of time which is involved in tortoise mail, letter, postcard, etc. Clear? Next with the chatting. You know chatting? Chatting is online communication with the people of all over the world. Here you type your message and click on send. Your message is received by a connected user within second. Okay? The receiver read your message instantly and type his reply. Now you can read his message within no time. You know, friend, we were chatting to the other person. Just if you want to send any message, just when we type anything and send it. After that, the other side, the person also send the message. So the chatting is the way it is. No need to talk, no need to voice. Just you type any word what you want to say to the other person, and after that we get the result within second. No need to spend time 1 hour, 2 hours. Clear? News group. Student, you know, nowadays we have no time to read newspaper. So many apps is there, newspaper, online newspaper. Just many apps is there. Just you download any app, and after that, when we open Gorakhpur, Lucknow, anywhere, just you type. We get the information of that particular place. Clear? So by the news group, we able to get newspaper, video conference. These are online meeting or the live conversation using internet relay chat IRC. With a number of people living in different part of the world, it also allows user to have face-to-face communication. Okay, you see, friend, nowadays many people use the video conferences. Means we able to talk face-to-face, but we need one screen. Clear? By the mobile, by the laptop, by the screen, we able to talk the other person. Okay, so by the video conferencing, about the 10 people, they are sitting in 10 different countries, and if they want to talk face to face, then very easy, by the video conferencing they talk to other person. Clear? File transfer protocol. If any file, if you want to send any file to any other people, the file FTP allows to exchange file with the other computer by the FTP. What is the full form of FTP? File transfer protocol. Next one is the telnet. See, what telnet? Help to download any file. I understand how we download any file. First read www, World Wide Web. www is the most popular website service provided on internet. It has a large collection of information on various topics such as education, entertainment, sport, science and fiction, weather and many other useful subjects. Suppose that we don't know what is the tomorrow weather. Just you see the weather cost. We easily get the information what is the condition of the tomorrow. If you don't know the temperature of the weather, just you see the weather app, open the weather app, we get information in the particular places what is their temperature. If you want to find temperature in our places in Siddharthnagar, just by the weather app, we open the weather app, we get information. So by any topic in education, entertainment, just you write www dot, and after that you write the word. If you don't know the meaning of any words, just to type it, you get the 1,000 meaning. Clear? So student, nowadays is very important. So internet has become an indispensable source of communication and knowledge in our lives. It has realized the world like no other technology have ever before done. All the inventions are very important, but nowadays internet is very important. It's unique. Like the electricity, without electricity, we are not able to survive because it make our life very comfortable and easy. Similarly, the internet. Now, what is the very important part? If you see, in our house, if the 5 member, then every person need one mobile. Clear? Child need for cartoon, other person means by their requirement they use the mobile. Clear? It has squeezed the world into a small ball. It has brought a tremendous change not only in the field of technique, but it also has modified our ways of living and thinking. Clear? Bill Gates has rightly said, you know Bill Gates? Founder of Microsoft, who make the software. Clear? So Bill Gates, according to Bill Gates, the internet is far from being obscure. It is the center of attention for business, governments and individuals around the world. Everywhere. It has given rise to new industries, transformed the existing one to become global. It is still in infancy. In the coming years, a combination of economical and powerful computing devices, fast and convenient interior access and software innovation could like the internet as common and powerful resources as the electricity. Hence, we can conclude that we are still only at the dawn of internet age. Clear? Means this is the importance of the internet. So, student, is a very important topic, and just use the net. I know all the person using the net. Okay, so according to your requirement, use the internet. Okay, student. So the next topic we discuss in the next video. Thank you.